This package just came in today, so we're gonna go ahead and open it up and take a look. If you can, go ahead and comment down below and take a guess at what you think it is. And then if you guessed it right, go ahead and comment that down below. Let's go ahead and get this open. Let's move these to the side, and let's go ahead and get this invoice out of the way. Box looks slightly damaged, but that's all right. This box is pretty fancy compared to any other box I've seen, so we'll see. If you didn't catch that logo, that is the A Ma Maniére logo, so it is a collab shoe. Let's go ahead and move this dust cover, dust bag, whatever it is, out of the way and get right to the shoe. All right, here we go, and boom, we got the unreleased A Ma Maniére Jordan 4 collab. This is, I don't know if it's the